Callaeum, macroptera, or macroptera is probably the best way to say it. Okay. It is butterfly vine. And if you look at the dried up fruit, you'll notice why. Okay. So it almost looks like two butterflies kind of sitting there.
That's so cool.
I don't know. So you notice, almost looks like two butterflies, sort of. I guess you could say that it looks like two butterflies.
It's like kissing,
kissing, yeah. Loving one another. Okay. I had not prepared for that, but it just happened to be. Yeah, there you go. All right, so that's an easy way to tell. And the fruit, obviously, began to develop toward the end of last summer into the fall, and obviously they were held onto this particular structure for a long time. Okay. We will come through here and probably just cut it off, but I want to keep it here so I can show you guys this. All right. Flowers on this are rather interesting. All right, they're 5 petaled, and then you can see there's different. So on the inside, it almost looks like a pinwheel because on the inside there's gaps in between the petals, and on the outside of the petals they're sort of right there together. Okay. Also, petals are have different margins on them. They're sort of rough and toothed to some extent. Okay. And then you'll notice that as the fruit begin to form, they're sort of a chartreuse, light green color, and they fade to this sort of tan, bronze, eventually to this brown that we have now.
And are the leaves always kind of drooping, hanging down?
The leaves always sort of droop, but they're drooping especially now because of that they've senesced. But they're always a really nice, sort of a darkish green. Backside of the leaf is lighter green than that, and then you can see there's just a herringbone venation pattern on the leaves. All right. This is a good representative of the shape, sort of an elliptical with an acute tip. All right. The trunks and whatnot are not necessarily anything to write home about, but they are interesting in the fact that this is typical, that they just twine upon one another so tightly they look very much braided. Okay.
But that was just all natural. You guys didn't?
Yeah, no, we didn't do that. Okay, and it does that all over the place. It just sits there and twines and twists. All right.
And are the two butterfly things, is that like just the modified leaf you said? Is it fruit?
Well, that's the fruit.
It's the fruit.
Yeah, that's the fruit that it makes. They're actually technically they're samaras. So you remember like on maples?
Maple.
You make samaras. It's the same structure.
It's supposed to be like flying through the wind.
Yeah.
It's like a little helicopter.
It's a big turn through the wind. Oh yeah. All right, questions?